In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make hyperpop music in Suno AI. We'll keep it simple and fast, and I'll show you how to craft a solid style prompt and original lyrics so Suno can generate a polished hyperpop track. Start by opening your browser and going to Google. We need a strong style prompt for Suno, and we'll use ChatGPT to help write it. In the search bar, type ChatGPT, then click on the official website. Once you're in, type a clear, descriptive prompt that captures the energy of hyperpop. For example, generate a hyperpop track with an energetic, chaotic mood, glitchy and futuristic vibe, 150 BPM. The track features high-pitched, processed vocals with distorted synths, fast drums, and hyperactive melodies. Prompts like this work well because they specify tempo, mood, instruments, and vocal treatment. Click Submit, then highlight the style prompt you like and copy it. Now head to Suno. On the main page, click Create. In the Styles field, paste the prompt you just copied from ChatGPT. This tells Suno exactly what sound you want, so keep it concise but descriptive. If your genre or vibe changes later, you can always come back and refine the wording. Next, let's generate lyrics. Return to ChatGPT and ask for original hyperpop lyrics. For example, write original lyrics for a hyperpop song. The subject is about love that feels forbidden and match the genre. Hit Submit and give it a moment to generate. You can change the subject to anything you like. Just keep the tone punchy, modern, and emotional to match hyperpop style. Once you're happy, highlight all the lyrics and press Ctrl+C to copy. Go back to Suno, find the lyrics section, and paste your lyrics in. Make sure the formatting is clean and the sections flow. Short lines and catchy hooks often perform best in this genre. With your style prompt and lyrics in place, click Create and let Suno generate your music. This may take a little time, so be patient. When the track is ready, listen closely to the vocals and energy. If the result isn't quite what you imagined, tweak your prompt, adjust the BPM, add or remove descriptors like glitchy or distorted, or refine the lyric theme, and generate again. Small wording changes can make a big difference. That's it. You've just made a hyperpop song in Suno using clear style guidance and original lyrics.